how long do you think you've been in testing?
Oh,
And what's kept you going on in the testing space?
as a tester,
Ah,
before I can remember,
yes.
and by that I mean as an infant,
Yeah.
we're all testers at that age.
Yes.
The school system in America tries to train us out of that,
Okay.
but in testing computers
Yes.
and thinking about testing of computers, well over 40 years,
Okay. Wow.
but less than 50
Okay.
that I've thought about it.
Wow. Yeah.
But
Nice.
so
What's actually kept you going on the testing?
I find it, from an engineering perspective, far more challenging than simply creating software.
Yeah.
Yeah, to write a program, you have to figure out one way to make it work. To test a program,
Yeah.
you have to think of all the ways that it could fail.
Yeah.
And of that, what are the most important ways it might fail?
Yeah.
And of that, how would I stimulate the software to manifest that failure? And how would I detect it?
Yeah.
A whole lot, I mean, order of magnitude more interesting to me than just developing.
Yeah. So do you want to share some thoughts about the Hoffman heuristic that I've read about?
When in doubt, do them all, run them all. Yeah, I mean, computer systems more and more are capable of doing lots of tests,
Yeah.
lots of things. And what I figured out was that there are times, more and more often, where figuring out the gnarliest way to test something and figuring out how to just test all the ways aren't that much different. And so if I'm testing a function, figuring out what the most interesting, most difficult, the gnarliest data that I could send it, yeah, okay, I can take the time, study the algorithms, study the code, come up with those 10 data points, or I can write a program that will bang all of them in there and find the ones that I couldn't think of.
Yeah.
And so that's how it came about, and I've been using that approach since I started testing.